made it to Ketchikan. We're at an exclusive port only for Norwegian. It's 7 miles away from the city, so we got to take a like a bus. Hi. Good morning. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get off here. It's gonna park supposedly at 7. We're just gonna walk around, take a little self-guided tour of the city. Alaska. We made it. We're stepping in Alaska. We are actually through Alaska. Yeah. Hello. Taking a double-decker bus to the town, 20 minutes away maybe. That's a straight angle. Okay, this is better. Sorry. I think the guy either turned the air off or it stopped working, and all of our windows fogged up, so we can't even get video out the thing. Look at this. Oh, whatever. Hey, we've arrived. So we'll see what we got. Home of the Happy Bears. All right, we've arrived. Actually, the weather is actually very nice, very nice. But yeah, as soon as you walk off, there's a bunch of people hawking rides and all that kind of, you know, sketchy stuff that even the Bahamas and all that stuff do. You know, so no matter where you're at, still does it. Oh my God, there's a place called Jellyfish Donuts. Right there. Yeah, it's a little much for some fish and chips. Jeez. I mean, my goodness, from a shack even. But because it seems like it would be a little bit cheaper because
it's fresh.
The fish is right there. Necessarily just yet. It's a nice little town here. There's so many things here that look like they could be on a postcard or something. You know, like one of those puzzles. But yeah, like really scenic. Mountains are pretty though.
Yeah, the mountains are pretty.
Yeah, it's kind of touristy.
It feels very touristy.
Our expectations were low enough.
Jewelry shops.
Yeah, and they pretty much all have the same stuff. So
meh. I'll give it a
you give it
2 out of 5.
You give it a meh out of a meh.